So I'm here in JC Penney's and I want to ride this lift. The buttons are totally satisfying to press. Not bad for a wait time. Cool chime. It's loud. Nice pink and black color combination for the interior. I'll just go up a level because I clicked level 3 once and was totally terrified because it was a workers only area. These buttons are just so satisfying to press. That chime's so cool. I'll try to make it ring again. Wow, that was awesome. So this is Macy's at the Plaza West Covina and I'm here because I want to ride this Montgomery lift. These buttons are totally not satisfying compared to the ones at the JC Penney's. Awesome. It's here. These buttons feel like mouse buttons. Nice phone. I'm just so curious about what this metal is called. I see it in so many lifts. That display's totally in bad condition. And the arrows stopped working too. So I'm back and this time I'm riding one of the 2 mall lifts at the Plaza West Covina, not in shops. Taller than I imagined. The buttons are relatively satisfying to click and made from plastic. Can my camera just stop losing focus in dark lifts? More of that cool metal here. What is it called? Time to continue my journey. I'm in H&M now and I'm totally ready to ride this Schindler slow hydraulic lift. These are probably my least favorite buttons. They're so typical. Cool. It's here. This interior is so minimal. It might be my imagination, but I feel like the door close buttons on so many of these Schindlers do nothing at all. They're probably there just to make it look complete. I like the arrow shape so much. That's probably my favorite part of this lift. It's time to go to Forever 21. So I'm in Forever 21 and there's another one of these Schindler hydraulic lifts here. The door and button position are different though. Everyone's totally sure that I shop here, but I don't. Time to ride it. This is basically the plainest lift ever. Other than that bright floor. They were totally trying to make it look edgier. Not bad. The door close button works here. There's the logo. I'll see what I find next. So I'm here at JCPenney's and this place feels totally vintage. It's so cool. These buttons are impossibly satisfying to click. And they're new. They added them in 2016, I think. So small and so satisfying to press. Time to ride again. The pink and black color combination is so cool. It's really got an energy from another time. Time to make these awesome buttons do their things. The chime's great too. I added a recording of it by itself, so just listen. Time to ride the cone lift at the Plaza West Covina. The odor of this lift is just terrible, and I think that it comes from that carpet. One of the cool things about these is how the buttons stay lit for some time. The interior looks like it's covered in reflective plastic. The simple chime's so awesome, so I added it at the beginning and end. I'm in the Plaza West Covina Nordstrom rack, which is basically the rack version of my favorite clothing shop. And, yeah, it's cool how the buttons for the upper and lower level are on different sides to indicate what side door opens. Even if this is just some basic Schindler hydraulic lift, it's different because the walls are covered with fake marble type wallpaper. And the floor tiles are totally perfectly aligned, unlike many others. Now it's time to ride escalators.